Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video, we will be providing all the required information regarding how you can provide Google Cloud credit to your friend who are in need of that. The Google Cloud credits are important for a student or any worker who is doing the cloud computing. So these provide you the eligibility so that you can uh, get a different lab access, and if you are aiming at any milestone of the arcade, then also you have to get this credit so that you can complete the skill batches. So if you complete 2 skill batches, then you will be getting about one arcade point. That matters a lot. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel so that you will be getting this amazing content first on YouTube. Like the video and share the video to those whosoever is looking for this type of content. So if you have any doubt, let us know in the comment box, and we will be happy to sort out all your doubt. Now let us jump to our official web page of the Skill Boost. So this is my public profile of the arcade. So if you have this sidebar corner, if you click on the public profile, then there will be a setting option on the right side of the public profile. Just click on the setting option, and in the sidebar you have to click on the credit and subscription. If you click on the credit and subscription button, then you can check it out. I am having about 200 credits, and I will be giving 150 credit to someone. Just click on the create a share group so that you can share credits. You have to create a new share group, or you can add to someone who have created that group. Just click on the create share group for credit sharing. If you click on it, then you have to give name. I am typing Vashish Techie. You can type any name according to your preference. And for the description, you can leave it out, or you can write anything else. So I am writing best of luck. So just click on the create button, and your group will be created. And just click on the name of the group you have created. Now you have to enter the number of credit you will be getting. Just and enter 150 or any. Now you can change the description of this message. This mess. I will be sending this credit to this email. So let's copy this email and now move back to the Google Cloud web page. You have to, in the first placeholder, you have to enter the email ID. Then you have to write any any message for that person, and then you can click on the yellow button so that you can proceed. So this message will be given once you will be getting this checkout box that mark that you have transferred 150 credit to the respected person. So if you wanna to distribute different person, then you can again check it out the that placeholder, and you can write out according to your preference. Now moving back, if you click on the back arrow, then again if you click on the credit and subscription, then you can see that I have only now 50 credit because I have given 150 credit to someone. So I am initially I am having 200 credit. So this is the simple way. If you click on the share group, and now you can see there are 150 credit I have given to that person. So in this way, this is a simple way how you can share your credit to your friend or any relatives or anyone you wanna to share. So I hope all your doubt have been clear. If you click on, there are the different two option at the top of the screen. You can check it out at your end. So I hope all your doubt has been clear in this video, that how you can give credit to someone. Like the video and share the video to those whosoever is looking for the arcade major update. So the major update about the arcade is how you can get the email of a price counter. So in 2 to 3 days you will be getting the price counter mail. So you have to have some patience. So this is all about this video. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, like the video.